In this program, this prompt written in single quotes will come as it is. For this part, the addition of these two will be coming. Here, this prompt will come as it is, and the calculation of this will come. This prompt will come as it is, and the calculation of these two will be coming. This prompt will come as it is, and this calculation will be coming the output. Wherever the text is written inside the quotes, it may be single or double, that will come as it is, like this. It will be represented as it is in the output, whereas the text not written inside the quotes will be executed as numbers. So the calculation will be coming for those.